Hi, my name is NASARETH SUBANG and my register number is 05 DPE20F2025. Now I'm gonna present about the introduction. For introduction, ergonomics is a discipline that can be applied to OSH to help ensure that workplace risks are prevented at the design stage, eliminated at a later stage, or controlled and reduced if they cannot be eliminated. It can therefore improve the safety, well-being, and employers more comfortable and increase productivity. Why is ergonomics important? Ergonomics is important because when you're doing a job and your body is stretched by an awkward posture, extreme temperature, or repeated movement, your muscle system is affected. Poor ergonomics leads to frustrated and fatigued workers that don't do their best work. When the job task is too physically taxing on the workers, they may not perform their job like screw tight enough due to a high force requirement, which could create a product quality issue. For this situation, Nilofa's problems are difficult holding her handphone during work and difficult to read because of glare and reflections from the light through the window. So, what are the improvements that can be taken by manager to improve Nilofa workstation?
Hi, my name is SITI SARASWATI. My registration number is 05 DPE20F2029. So I will present about problem solution 1, that is about problem holding telephone, typing a message on the computer, and outward body posture. So firstly is to solve holding telephone problems. Number 1, holding your phone between your ear and shoulder isn't just uncomfortable. It can lead to more serious and longer lasting problems. So, we need to keep our wrists as straight as possible while we are texting and sweeping. This is one of the best ways to minimize the strain. If our wrists are overtly bent, it forces our fingers to work harder than it's necessary. Number 2, avoid holding the phone between our ear and shoulder. This can cause upper back and neck strain, and we can use Bluetooth headset because we don't need to hold it. We just put it here, and it already enables us to talk on the phone without holding it. So next is to solve outward body posture. Number 1, keep the body in alignment while sitting in an office chair, and while standing then distribute body weight evenly to the front, back, and side of the feet. While sitting in an office chair, take advantage of the chair filter, sit up straight, and align the ear, shoulder, and hips in one vertical line. Any prolonged sitting position, even a good one, also can make us tired. So we need to shifting forward to the edge of the seat with a straight back, can alternate with sitting back against the support of the office chair to ease the work of back muscles. Number 2, we need to get up and move because muscle can be tired, slouching, slumping, and others. Poor posture become more likely. This in turn put extra pressure on the neck and back. In order to maintain and relax yet supported posture, change position frequently. One way to take a break from sitting in an office chair every half hour for 2 minutes in order to stretch, stand, or walk.
The next to solve awkward body posture is use suitable and adjustable chair. The seat should be able to adjust until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Shorter or taller user may need different height cylinders. If you are unable to adjust your chair height properly, contact the chair manufacturer for a replacement cylinder. Adjusting the chair to height place more pressure than necessary on the back of the legs, reducing circulation. If the chair is too low, a smaller portion of the legs is in contact with the chair and the pressure on the area is correspondingly greater. And lastly, rearrange your workplace. Your desk should be level with your elbow while you seated. If it's too high, it can cause shoulder fatigue. It is not adjustable. Consider installing an adjustable keyboard and mouse tray.
Hello, my name is JESSYCA. I'm going to explain about problem solution. So the first point is use proper lighting. When you use your computer, your ambient lighting should be about half as bright as that typically found in most offices. If possible, reposition your computer screen so windows are to the side instead of in front or behind it. The next one is minimize glare. Consider installing an anti-glare screen on your display and if possible, paint bright white walls as a darker color with a matte finish. And if you are wearing glasses, consider buying lenses with anti-reflective AR coating. It is to reduce glare by minimizing the amount of light reflecting off the front and back surfaces on your eyeglass lens. Next is fix office windows. The window should be replaced with anti-light, tinted or blind and shading windows, so that the light that entering through office window is not as bright as using normal windows. We can also use the curtains with appropriate colors or type for better lighting such as blind windows. Next is setting up the glass screen. After putting the screen in front of the monitor, check to see if reflection on the screen are reduced. Next, look through the screen to the monitor. If the monitor darker, we need to adjust the brightness and controls the monitor until you can comfortably view the monitor again.
Hello, my name is ATIQAH. Okay, number 4 is using blue light glasses. Glasses with blue light filtering technology can enhance your focus and reduce eye strain. Resulting is making your eyes feel less tired and improving productivity. Another way to reduce eye strain is to make sure you take regular break from the screen. Anyone who spend a significant part of their day looking at digital screen may want to consider the blue light glasses. Number 5 is using aluminum foil. They're really easy to use and very cost effective. Simply place it over your interior glass window pane and seal the edge with tape. It resistant to heat, help prevent most of the sun heat and glare from getting into the office and house. For summary is number 1, good ergonomic design of tool, process and furniture can markedly improve personal comfort, health, morale and productivity. Number 2 is individual effort as part of a departmental workshop team is the greatest means of identifying of improving workplace ergonomic issues. The last but not least, it's critical to seek prompt medical aid for symptom of ergonomic stress or CTD. Okay, ergonomic help people to be more comfortable at work, reducing stress and injury caused by incorrect position and repetitive tasks. As a good user, we need to use the ergonomic because it gives a big influence in our life. Ergonomic is the science of matching work tasks to the body. Good ergonomics promote design or intervention to promote safe posture and less stress acting on the body for the purpose of improving productivity and decrease musculoskeletal injury (MSI) associated with work practice. Thank you, sir.